Welcome. In this demo, we're going to show some of the components of the ILINX online portal. We'll walk through 3 different user scenarios, starting with a public user, someone who has not logged into any of these systems. And then we'll show a supplier and an employee scenario and see how they differ in using the online portal. So while we'll be interacting with the sample website, under the covers is ILINX Capture, Workflow, Content Store, and eForms. So we'll see some of the ways that these product components can help self-service public and supply chain people and even employees. So I'm going to switch over to our example website. This is Acme Technologies. So if I scroll down, I'm not logged in at this point. So if we look at the menu here, we've just got our standard list of menu options here for someone who's just hitting this website without logging in. But down here at the bottom, we've got a jobs link. So I think I may apply for a job because this looks like a great company. And here's a senior software developer position. So this looks interesting. So I'll read the description, and yeah, this is a perfect fit for me. So I'm going to click the Apply Online button. This is going to launch the Acme Technologies employment application form. So I'll just type in my name and my email, and I can type in my phone number. And these use this nice masking controls, so it moves you from field to field. And here I can put in my work experience, my education experience, references, and this uses the standard out-of-the-box ILINX eForms and capture table capability, so I can continue to add more and more employment history or schools as needed and the form grows. To allow that, I can attach a copy of my resume here. And then I certify that this information is accurate and complete. I'll hit the submit form, and it's going to pop me back into that website and tell me that, thank you, that we've submitted that information, and we'll get back to you. So let me go back over here to my email, and I'll show you an email that we'll receive here from the automated workflow system. So it's personalized with the information that excuse me, I put in and the position that I was looking for, and of course that can be tailored to match any email format that you want and anything you want to say to those folks. So that's the first scenario. So let's log in now as a supplier. So I'm going to hit the supplier login page. Log in as this example supplier. You'll notice these menus are going to change here once I'm logged in, because now I have access to more capabilities. And that takes me to this available forms page. And as a supplier, I can upload invoices, I can submit a technical support request, or I could look for a quote or submit a quote request. And this is using ILINX eForms. And unlike the application, these are actually embedded directly into the website. And then it uses all of the capabilities of the ILINX eForms to be able to allow, in this case, a supplier to self-service. So I can also click on this invoices, and this is going to run an ILINX capture view and show me a list of all of the invoices that I, as this particular supplier, have submitted into this system. Shows me some information about the invoice number, amount, dates, and statuses. All of this information is updated live in real time in Capture Workflow. So if I just refresh this page, I'll get up to the second information about what's going on. Now, of course, as the owner of this website, I choose what information and when to expose to my suppliers. I may not want to show them all of this information. And from this page, I can also click the Upload Invoice button, which is going to launch an eForm and allow me to upload an invoice directly into this system. I can switch over here to my Invoice Archives page, and this is going to show me a list of all of the invoices that I have submitted into the system that have completed the workflow and actually now reside in ILINX Content Store. And I have access to click one of these links and open up that old invoice if I need to go back and do some analysis on that. And so this is live also with ILINX Content Store, and up to the second information, if any of the metadata is changed within the ILINX Content Store system, if any new documents appeared, or maybe some documents were removed because of retention management, all that shows up in real time. So let's log out, and now I'm going to log in as an employee of Acme Technologies. Different user. And you'll see here the menus will change again, but they're different than what the supplier sees. So I'm taken right to the forms section, and I have a completely different list of forms as well. I can do a position requisition, I can do an expense form, a leave request, and so if I click on the leave request, it's going to take me here. I'm going to let's submit 56 hours, and I'm going to take it next week, days next week, and this is vacation. So I'll submit that. And off it goes into the workflow. So now if I come over here to my workflows page, it's going to again run a capture view and show me the information that is live in the system. So here's the vacation request that we just submitted for 56 hours and the dates of when I'm requesting to have that time off. And all of this information is live with workflow. I can also click on the employee document section, and this is going to run an ILINX content store view and show me information from, in this case, an HR application. So here's my benefits overview for the year, holiday schedules, and safety and other policies and procedures documents, all exposed using the ILINX online portal capabilities, sitting on top of ILINX Capture, Workflow, Content Store, and eForms. Thank you.